Hey guys, it's me Jaycee. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Redmi K20 Pro. Now, if you might notice, I'm not in my studio today because I am in Manila, in Ermita to be specific. So we're outside. We just got this from Soon PH. Shout out to Michael Go for hooking me up with the new K20 Pro. Thank you very much. So today we're gonna be unboxing this and checking out the things that the Redmi K20 Pro has. Some of its features, some of the things that people are talking about this, because this is a very budget-friendly phone that has Snapdragon 855. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and look inside the box. So this is still sealed. This is the black version, 128 gigs and 8 gigs of storage. So let's go ahead and remove the plastic. It's very easy to unbox. It's very weird unboxing outside. I'm sorry if you're gonna be hearing outside noise, but this is a new for the channel, so I wanted to get my hands on this fast. So let's go ahead and open the box. So it's a very good looking box. This is black and look at this. It's purple or violet. This is purple or violet, whatever you might call this, but this is a cool looking box. They have there the new Redmi mascot. This is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, but I doubt because dinosaurs don't spit out flames. Too much detail. Let's go ahead and remove the other one from the top. Still, this is a Xiaomi product, even though this is Redmi, as we all know. What we have here paperwork, warranty card, and a case. That's a good thing because there's still no accessories for this one. So I forgot to mention, this one is on Chinese ROM, meaning there is no Google Play Store. You have to install that yourself. So okay, let's continue inside the box. We have here the unit itself. This is the Redmi K20 Pro. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. Let's put this on the side first. I'm so excited. Let's see what else is in the box. This weird looking paper, and we have here some charging accessories, the cable and the charging brick. This brick, as far as I know, is rated at 15 watts, but the Redmi K20 Pro can handle up to 27 watts for faster charging. As you can see here, the back, we have here the black version. It has this carbon fiber print here. It looks good. It looks really awesome to me. It's actually my first phone with a pattern. On the camera, you can see a red ring, which is very reminiscent of the Pocophone F1. There are rumors that the K20 Pro will be rebranded as the Pocophone F2. So this is probably a good sign or indicator that that is very sure to happen. So on the side, you can see here a red button, which is very unique when it comes to Xiaomi phones because they've never done this on the past on their previous phone, but I don't know with the Mi 9. So one of the features of the K20 Pro is the 48 megapixel Sony IMX sensor, which is right here. So let's look at the side. On the right side, we have here the normal volume rocker, but you can see here there is a red power button. This is very unique on a Xiaomi phone. On the other side, it's perfectly clean. So on the bottom, we have here the speaker, a USB Type-C, microphone, and the SIM tray. It does support dual SIM, but no expandable storage as far as I'm concerned. As you can see here on the back, it says 2 nano SIM. So if you're wondering where the front camera is, as you can see on the front, it's very clean. The front camera is on the top. The Redmi K20 Pro comes with a retractable motorized camera that glows when turned on. We're gonna be seeing that in a few moments. Let's first talk about what's written on the front. There is a Redmi branding by Xiaomi. It has a 4000 milliamp hour battery, 6.4 AMOLED display, as I mentioned earlier, a 48 megapixel Sony sensor, and the cream of the crop Snapdragon 855. This is the same processor you can see on the Mi Mix 3, OnePlus 7, Samsung, and the Mi 9 as far as I'm concerned. This is a quick side-by-side comparison with the Mi 8. As you can see, it's almost the same size, but if I'm not mistaken, the screen is almost edge to edge with this one with no notch. Here is also another side-by-side comparison with the size. This is the Mi Max, which is obviously gonna be much bigger than any phone you're probably gonna be seeing. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Hopefully we have here charge. Let's first remove this thing. Standard na lang. So I can't remove this. It's much more stickier than the one they have on the front. But let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Here we can see a Redmi by Xiaomi logo. First impression, man, those blacks Those blacks are really black. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's English. I thought for a second there was no English. Because if there wasn't, I'm totally screwed. So let's go ahead. So I also forgot to mention this, that another key feature of the Redmi K20 Pro is the in-screen fingerprint sensor. Let's go ahead and test that out. So yeah, fingerprint, let's go ahead and... So I'm done setting this up. We can see here, the screen looks really good. But the one thing I'm really excited to look at is just to show you guys what the camera can do. But we're also gonna be doing an in-depth camera testing. So let's go ahead. The one thing that we all want to look at, the camera on the top. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? The camera on the front. Okay, it's doing a bit of magic. I look so beautiful. I'm not beautiful in real life. We got here the front camera. It's on the top left corner, as you can see. Did you see that? Did you see the light? I don't know why they add that, but that's a cool feature as well, I think. So maybe you can see where the camera is. But hey, who wouldn't see that camera that's moving up their screen? That's really cool, man. On their website, they also claim that this has a press protection feature and a drop protection feature as well. In theory, this should protect the camera when you drop it on the floor. Let's go ahead and test this out. Here is the first selfie. It's pretty wide. It's really wide. Look, I can fit 2 people here, but let's go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna be putting the sample pictures on post, but in my opinion, it actually looks good. So also, let's take a look up on what it looks like with the case on. I noticed that I did not mention that this came with a headphone jack. It has a high-res digital to analog converter. I don't know what chipset they use, but they do advertise this to have a high-resolution audio. So there's that as well. Do stick around till the end of this video. I will be posting sample slow-motion videos and some camera samples as well. So see you on the end. Thank you. The case fits very well. So closing thoughts. I think I forgot to mention this again, but the only thing that I actually wish the K20 Pro has is an electronic image stabilization. While I was taking my sample photos there, I noticed there was a lot of shake when I'm trying to take that photo. So if you're gonna be trying to take photos with this one, you should really have a very steady hand. But other than that, in my opinion, this is a very solid phone. I got this at around 25,000 pesos right now, so you can expect the price to go down when this thing goes out to market. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions with regards to the K20 Pro, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. And I'm also gonna be doing my in-depth review of this unit. So if you have any concerns as well, you know what to do. Leave them down in the comment section below. That's it for this video. I hope you like my initial impression and unboxing of this phone. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you dislike this video, you know what to do. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Jaycee Mariano live in Manila, but this is gonna be on post, so it's not live anymore. That's it for this video. See you on the next one. Peace.